In the previous video, you were able to learn more about the Adverse Childhood Experience Study. Specifically, individuals in the study experienced private and public trauma-related events. You will note 10 of these on this particular slide. Emotional abuse and neglect, a mother treated violently, household substance abuse and mental illness, separation and divorce, incarcerated household member, death of a parent, community violence, and poverty. At this point, it's important for you to consider what other events might be traumatizing for the students and families that you are working with. In particular, we could note a parent or sibling being sent off to work military duty. Social media is also a pressing event which is traumatizing our students in schools. Take a moment, reflect. What other events might be traumatizing to the students that you are serving?